Let's learn how to crochet a tulip coaster. Take out the white yarn. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Pinch into a circle. First chain to 2. Yarn over yo. Go through the loop. Crochet 1 double crochet DC. Place markers in. First round, need to crochet 15 double crochets DC into this loop. Let's look at this stitch. One V shape is 1 stitch. Okay, this is the first stitch. This is the second stitch. "15 stitches. After finishing, tighten the loop. Join with a slip stitch cell street to the first stitch where the marker is. Pull tight. Crochet 2 chain stitches to start the second round. The pattern for the second round is double crochet increase DC ink. Still insert the hook into the position of the previous marker. Then place this yarn on top of the hook. Place the markers in. One double crochet increase to DC in same street. Need to crochet 15 sets total. After weaving in for a few stitches, you can cut off this yarn tail. After 15 sets are done, slip stitch cell straight to the first stitch. 2 chain stitches, 2. Crochet the third round. The pattern for the third round is 1 double crochet DC, 1 double crochet increase DC ink. This is the first set. Need to crochet 15 sets total. After the last set is done, slip stitch cell straight to the first stitch. Crochet 1 chain stitch. Then fasten off. Then take out the green yarn. Pull yarn through. First chain stitch 2. First need to chain 5. On the second chain stitch, place the stitch markers in. Hook, yarn over yoke, into the same stitch. Crochet another double crochet DC. These 2 chain stitches here count as 1 double crochet. Hook, yarn over, skip to stitches SK2. Place this yarn on top of the hook. First crochet 1 double crochet DC, then chain 3 each 3. Then crochet another double crochet DC. This counts as 1 set. Need to crochet 14 more sets total. Okay, after our last set is done, join with a slip stitch cell straight to the marked position. After the slip stitch, fasten off. then change color CC. This round. Need to crochet into this petal. Crochet into this hole. First chain to 2. Crochet 5 double crochets DC. First double crochet, place markers in. After 5 double crochets are done, lengthen the loop. Return to the first stitch. Okay, then pull this loop through. Then chain 5. This way one petal is completed. After 5 chain stitches, hook, yarn over yoke into the next stitch hole, crochet 5 double crochets DC. Pay attention here. This first double crochet. After the last petal is done, this is the first stitch. Join with a slip stitch cell street to the first stitch. Then fasten off. It will curl inward a little bit. This is normal. Take out the white yarn. Need to find the center position of each petal. On the stitch at the center position, crochet 1 single crochet SC into this stitch. After 1 single crochet is done, place the markers in. Okay, hook, yarn over yoke into the previous 5 chain stitches space, crochet. First crochet 1/2 double crochet HDC, yarn over, crochet 4 double crochets DC. After 4 double crochets are done, then crochet 1/2 double crochet HDC. This is one set. After the last one is done, join with a slip stitch cell street to the first stitch. Then chain 10. Return to the previous stitch. Crochet a slip stitch cell street. Then crochet 1 chain stitch, fasten off. Then weave in the ends. Each one comes with a glue stick. You can use scissors to cut it into a slanted tip. Then at the position below this yarn tail, apply a little glue. This will make it more secure.